Hello, my name is Jordan from Keychain Social. Thank you for requesting your free video analysis. I just want to take the next few minutes to show you a very effective strategy that we're using to drive a consistent amount of new phone repair clients for our customers every single day. So if you read my screen, this is an example of a Facebook ad. And we've actually found that Facebook and Instagram are the top two sources of clients for the customers that we have. So I'll go ahead and read this ad for you and talk about the strategy and how it works. The ad reads like this. Tired of staring at your cracked smartphone screen? You're in luck. We're giving away one free repair this week only to replace your cracked screen. Click the link below to enter. So we're not just giving away cracked screens because you don't make any money, but I'll talk about how we can actually use a contest to turn this into a ton of new customers for you. So when people click this ad, they're taken to a landing page that looks like this. This is different from your website because on a landing page, it's very simple for people to take the action that we're looking for them to take, which is giving us their information here on the next form. So on this landing page, they see the name of the company at the top. They see the value that they're about to win, which is $75 for a cracked phone screen repair. Scrolling down, they can read more about the company. They can read reviews, which is really important. People can see that other people have had a great experience at your business. And when people click this ad, or this button here, they're taken to a form where they fill in their information for the chance to win a cracked screen. Now, if you don't have a cracked screen, it wouldn't make sense for you to enter your information. So we actually are gathering a ton of information from all the people in your area that could potentially win a free repair, which tells us that they have a cracked screen. So we have their name, we have their phone number, we have their email, and this is the key. The bonus offer. If you don't win, would you be interested in receiving a coupon for 50% off our normal price to fix your screen? Yes or no? So this is really the key, because let's say that you get 200 people that enter this contest, and now we have 200 people that we can message with a special offer, whether that's 50% off of repair, maybe it's a few dollars off, whatever the special offer is, it doesn't matter. We can work with you on whatever makes sense for your business. But if we have a 500, 1,000, 2,000 person list of everyone in your area that has a cracked screen, wouldn't it be great to send them a message and say, hey, you didn't win our contest, but here's $10 off of a free repair. That's extremely crucial, and it works extremely well to get new customers for our clients. So when people submit their information, your desk and your team will get an automatic email that looks like this. It has their name, their cell phone number, their email, when they want to come in, and all the information that comes from the form. And we've actually done some research for you in your area. We've looked within an 8-kilometer radius of your business, and we've actually found that there's 1.7 million people within your business, within 8 kilometers, that have a smartphone device. They access Facebook through a smartphone, which tells us that they could be a great customer for you. So what we'd like to do is offer you a 2-week free trial. We're not going to charge you anything. Where all we're going to do is run some ads. We'll set up the ads. We'll set up the landing page. We'll show you that what we do works and can be a great source of new customers for your business. And there's no minimum spend on the Facebook ads. You can pay what you want. We'll definitely have some ideas of what we would recommend in your area to drive some leads, but there's no minimum spend. So if you're interested in speaking with me about this, there is a button below to book a call at a convenient time for you. We work with clients all over the world. We're based here in the U.S., but we work with many different phone repair customers all over the world. So whether it's phone repair that you're looking to drive leads for, whether it is other services that you're interested in, there's always a way to make it work. And we hope that we get a chance to speak with you about this great opportunity. Feel free to give me a call when you have a chance, and look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye-bye.